Make more money now with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a lot more than just joining an affiliate program. It is truly a business move that requires planning and patience. It has so many techniques and products that require research, hard work, and patience. Do you have what it takes? Regardless of your answer, here are some tips to help you. Affiliate marketing requires a lot more than selling great products. It also requires you keeping an up-to-date site to work as your digital shop. Use current web layouts or news on your domain to keep the patron's attention. If you let your design or products run out of date, you will notice that you can't bring in those same quality customers you could previously. When selecting an affiliate marketing program, make sure to check out the company's conversion rate. This is the proportion of site visitors that actually buy the product they're selling. A good site will have about a 1% conversion rate. A site with a low conversion rate isn't worth the effort you'll have to put out to direct traffic there. To find your audience before you even mention your product, create a series of videos. Record a short video of yourself talking about a different topic every week, or about the same topic under different angles. Post them on a popular video hosting website. Once you have enough followers, do a video about the product you are selling. If you try one affiliate program and do not see the results that you were hoping for, do not hesitate to try another. Check into the affiliate program you are using to see if they offer any other products, services, or payment structures. Some programs offer flexible plans, so do your homework and find the one that fits best. Now you see that affiliate marketing is a lot more than just joining any affiliate program that you find. It takes planning and hard work. You don't want to join a poor program, so why not take some time to learn how to do it right? The above tips should have given you some advice on how to do that. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.